In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Spotify mobile songs. If you want to listen to your favorite music without using cellular data, downloading songs in Spotify is a great option. Before you begin, there's one important thing to know. Spotify only allows music downloads for premium subscribers. If you're using the free plan, you won't be able to download songs or albums for offline listening, although podcast downloads may still be available. Now, here's the key rule that trips a lot of people up. On Spotify Mobile, you can't download a single song by tapping a separate download button on that one track. Spotify requires you to download the full playlist or the full album that the song belongs to. So if there's a specific song you want offline, you'll need to download the collection it's in. To get started, open the Spotify app on your phone, then navigate to the playlist or album you want to save for offline listening. Make sure you're actually on the page for that playlist or album, because the download option appears there near the top of the track list. Once you're on that screen, look for the downward-facing arrow icon near the play or shuffle controls. This is the download button. Tap that arrow once to begin downloading. After you tap it, the icon will change appearance. It may turn green and begin spinning, which lets you know the download is in progress. Give it a moment, especially if the playlist or album is large or your internet connection is slower. When the download is fully complete, the icon will change again. You'll see a solid green circle with a check mark, confirming that the playlist or album has been successfully downloaded to your device. You may also notice that each downloaded song in that list shows a small green arrow, which is another sign that it's available offline. If your goal is to download only certain songs, there's a simple workaround. Create a custom private playlist just for the tracks you want to keep offline. You can name it something like My Downloads or anything you prefer. Add the individual songs you want into that playlist, then open the playlist and tap the same download arrow at the top. That way you're still following Spotify's download system, but you're only saving the specific songs you actually want. And that's it. As long as you have Spotify Premium and download albums or playlists instead of individual tracks directly, you'll be able to enjoy your music offline anytime.